has to be 13 pounds.
Oh my god, it's like 3 feet easy. We're gonna need a bigger fucking net.
Woo! Woo!
Let me know. Say when.
Yay!
Holy shit, boy! Nux! Okay, he's gonna give up. He's gonna give up. Crank a little bit. Nope, 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 wait. Okay. There you go. Get some back. Here, I'll tighten you up. I'll tighten. Wait. Tighten. Alright. Reel. Reel. Get him back. There you go. I can see him. Yeah, he's a good 30, 32.
Good bull trout.
That's a big fucking bull.
Loosen it.
Alright, he's right here. He's at the boat. Okay. Get him back. I can see him. That is a giant bull trout, dude. One minute into this fight, it's a Laker. Good Laker. Might be a bull.
Here comes.
Oh. He's still too far down the net.
I'm on the end of the rocks. That's fine.
Wait for it. Here we go. Straight up. Woo, baby. Look at that.
I put up a hell of a fight.
Right? He didn't want to give it up. It's a Laker, dude. He's got to be 29.
And he spits it right there, boys.
Oh my god. That was cool.